All right, guys, welcome to a new pre-market analysis. So EU, it's gonna be a quick one by the way. Structure-wise, we've bearish structure. We broke bearish on Tuesday. Yesterday was quite a first retracement candle, and we now got two scenarios that can play out. First scenario is that we react from our most recent leg to the downside. Second scenario, actually three scenarios I'm looking at, is that we continue from taking out these highs and then continue to the downside. And the third scenario is getting up here, taking out internal range liquidity and move from there. Why there are three? Well, because this is our most recent structure. Then this was the bear structure we didn't reach into yet, but we're kind of building up liquidity still. So that will be my second area. And then third, because we are having all this liquidity and all this correctional price behavior on our way down. So that's also the reason for me to doubt this bearish range. And the reason for me to think that we get up here, but we don't know until it happens. So, but that's high time frame wise in a nutshell for EU. For today, shorts from here, ideally already from above Asia highs. Why? Previous daily highs are already taken. If we take Asia highs as well, I hit some of my confluences and I can look for shorts. Another scenario is that I look for longs. I still have to make screenshots of this trade, so let's keep it on. Essentially, there's this cluster of candles. That's my POI, my demand zone, and I'm looking to trade from there into the highs. That's really it for EU. For GU, you can see 2 times bullish structure being formed, taking out these lows, kind of strong resistance to me in lower time frames. But you can see that bullish break, return to discount, bullish break. Now we're waiting for another return to discount. However, there's not really a 50-minute area we can trade from unless except for this here. So that could be my demand zone. We've got internal range liquidity over here. So a potential move could be taking out lows, taking out the highs. Other than that, not really interested in anything else on GU, as this is only Asia highs and nothing else. So I don't trade just off Asia highs. It needs to be a proper liquidity point. Asia highs. So yeah, that's my real quick pre-market analysis. Then what we can do is quickly look at DXY. DXY gave me a headache yesterday with that trade. Because it was building up so much liquidity. It took it so long to get to the downside, but it essentially moved. So that's good. It moved, took that low, and now I'm curious to see what's going to happen here. DXY is in a huge middle of nothing. Not much here, so we just see we are inside the daily supply zone, but we're looking for higher pricing up here. So let's see. So yeah, it's a quick analysis, but yeah, no, it doesn't need to be much, right? Sells here, buys here. GU buys only from there. DXY, see what happens, and just when price gets around close to an entry or entry scenario, we just look at DXY and look at the most recent liquidity points and see from where to where it can move and if that lines up with our trade. So that's my pre-market analysis for today. Wish you guys good luck in the market and peace out.